Bell couldn't quite grab it. Landeskog, as he's falling, made the pass. That shot, they score! Sam Girard got it through. Colorado has their first lead.
Solid second period here for the Colorado Avalanche on home ice. And the dump in right here, a high flipper that was a tough one for the goalie to handle. And now Bell gets it behind the net. Landeskog makes a good play there as the Avs go D to D. My angle, I was a little screened by Perunovic, the defenseman, and yes, it went through him and through the goaltender.
Well, it's a tough play. You can see Binnington frustrated, probably like it back, but at the same time, Perunovic, if you're a defenseman going down there, you need to make that block.